Hi children, how are you? Hope all are fine. Today we will go to the next section, that is I have finished this lesson fully and I have given you the grammar also. Then one more part is there, that is language workshop 1, that is grammar. So all take page number 48 in your textbook. We will discuss with this grammar and I will send you the answers. Take page number 48. That is, first one, kinds of sentences, subject and predicate, countable and uncountable nouns, articles, pronouns. Here, first exercise, there is an error in each sentence. Underline the error and write the correct word. Error means some mistake is there in each sentence. You have to underline that mistake and write the correct sentence. Understood? First, one day Emperor Akbar called all the people in his courts together. So what is the mistake in that sentence? Courts. Courts is the error in that sentence. So underline courts. Then you have to rewrite this sentence. One day Emperor Akbar called all the people in his court together. Then second one, if you solve this problem, whoever solves will get a bag of gold, he said. So, if you solve this problem, whoever solves it will get a bag of gold, he said. Understood? Then next, then Akbar came down from a throne. There one error is there, A. Underline A. Then Akbar came down from a throne. So underline A. Instead of that, then Akbar came down from the throne. Instead of A, you have to write the. Next, fourth question. With a piece of charcoal, they drew a line on the white marble floor. With a piece of charcoal, they is the error. Underline they. Instead of that, you have to write E. That is, with a piece of charcoal, he drew a line on the white marble floor. Then, fifth one, you will look at this line carefully. There one question mark is there. So, you have to ask question. Understood? E asked. So, how will you write that? Will you look at this line carefully? You will look at this line carefully means that is a sentence. That is not a question. So, question mark is given there. So, you should ask that sentence in a question. Will you look at this line carefully? He asked. Understood? Now, B. There is an extra word in each sentence. Identify it and cross it out. ഓരോ സെൻറ്റൻസിൽ ഒരു എക്സ്ട്രാ വേർഡ് ഉണ്ട്, അത് നമുക്ക് ആവശ്യമില്ലാത്തതാണ്. യു ഹാവ് ടു ക്രോസ് ദാറ്റ് വേർഡ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് സെൻറ്റൻസ്, ഈച്ച് എവ്രി വൺ ലുക്ക്ഡ് അറ്റ് ദ ലോങ് ലൈൻ വെരി കെയർഫുള്ളി. വാട്ട് ഇസ് ദ ഈച്ച് എവ്രി വൺ യു കാൺ സേ. സോ ഈച്ച് യു ഹാവ് ടു ക്രോസ്. എവ്രി വൺ ലുക്ക്ഡ് അറ്റ് ദി long line very carefully. That is the correct sentence. Second one, then Akbar said, will I want all of you to make this line shorter? So, will you have to cross. Correct is, then Akbar said, I want all of you to make this line shorter. Then the third one, but you must do so without touching the line in any way. But you must do so without touching the line in any way. So, the correct sentence is A, you have to cross it out. But you must do so without touching the line in any way. A, you have to cross it out. You must not add to the line or rub out any part of that it. That is wrong. That you have to cross it out. You must not add to the line or rub out any part of it. Then fifth one, no anyone could think of a way to do as the emperor asked. So, any cross. No one could think of a way to do as the emperor asked. So, ആ തെറ്റായ വേർഡ്സ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്യുക. Understood? Now next, complete each sentence appropriately to continue the story. I will give you the answers. First one, Dash turned to Raja Birbal with a mocking smile. That is Emperor Akbar. He asked, well Birbal, you are the cleverest person in my court. Dash think of any way. Can you think of any way? Raja Birbal at once took a piece of chalk. He drew another long line next to the one Akbar had drawn. Now, rewrite these jumbled sentences with the words in the correct order. See, these sentences are given in a wrong way. You have to correct it and write down. First one. First, the first one was longer than. That is a wrong sentence. So, how will you correct that? It was longer than the first one. Then second, line Akbar's shorter became now. Akbar's line became shorter now. Impressed very was caught in everyone the. Everyone in the court was very impressed. Said they, shorter indeed. Now the line is yes. They said, yes, the line is indeed shorter now. Now, here next listening. That is, we'll just read this paragraph. The person realized the danger. They were in but pretended to be cheerful. He called his family after claiming himself down. He told them to be brave, for they could see land and God would look after them. Having said that, he left them and went to the deck. So, you have to add these words there. That is, once more I will read. The person realized the danger they were in, but pretended to be cheerful. He called his family after calming himself down. He told them to be brave, ധൈര്യപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കാൻ, for they could see land and God would look after them. Having said that, he led them and went to the deck. This is the portion of the shipwreck. Understood? Next, we'll just write a sentence here. What did Hedi ask the grandmother? We'll just write a sentence. She asked her if the books were hers forever. We'll just write a short sentence. Next, what did the grandmother tell Hedi? She told her that the book was hers forever. Understood? Next, cross out the incorrect articles and write the correct articles. I will give you that in your group. In the morning, I usually have an omelette, cornflakes and fruit. There you have to cross. But this morning I had cornflakes. Then a piece of toast with cross the butter and a jam. I had made an cross the omelette, but and you have to cross it out. The omelette turned out very salty and spicy, so I could not eat it. I was quite hungry, so I decided to have the, you have to cross out, an apple, and you have to cross out a banana. Some letters you have to cross out, instead you have to write other one. Same way some words also. Understood? Cross out that word and write another word. Now next is groups of one speaking that you don't want to do. Next, look at these pictures, work in pairs and tell your partner. That is all. How to make a sandwich. You can write this. Understood? You use looking the pictures, you can write. To make a sandwich you will need what? 2 slices of bread, some cucumber, some tomato, butter, salt, little pepper. Understood? Then you have to slice the bread and put butter on it. Then on another slice you can put a layer of cucumber. Then add a layer of tomato on top of this. Sprinkle little salt and pepper. Place the other slice of bread on top of this buttered side. So the sandwich is ready there. We'll just discuss that. Understood? So till this we have finished fully. Then one more part is there. Read this paragraph and answer these questions. You can get answers from this paragraph itself. You just read out, find the answers for it. I will send all these answers in groups. Understood? You have to read these paragraphs alone and find out the answers for them. This is a comprehension. So here ends the first term portions. After this we will go to second term portions. So learn all the answers well, write and study all the answers. Understood children? Till then, bye.